We're good with it. Today I'm about to show y'all the easiest way to paint a sock liner. You don't need an airbrush, you don't need tape, none of that. Let's get into it.
Running, I can't stop, I go get money. Them over there funny, we making moves to that money. I can't stop, but I can't slow, honey. I can't stop.
Okay, so the easiest materials to use. What I use is this Dynaflow, and it's made by Jacquard. And a bigger type of paintbrush, and that's pretty much it. And all I do, shake it up, of course, you know, you gotta get it with the mix it. Well, this is a new bottle too. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to push the tongues up, get them out of the way, make sure they don't get anything on them, and then just dip that guy. And then I like to paint the edges first. So let me show y'all. I go, boy, I just dip that joint in there, and I don't go all the way to the edge. I just let it soak in and just keep on moving down like that. I never try to go right there, even though it's not gonna really matter if I did hit this, because you know it's black on black or whatever, it's easy to clean up. But still, when you're working on other colors and types of deals, I don't like trying to go all the way to the edge. I just like letting it soak in there. And then, hold on, that junk is not focused. Hold on. There we go. Just let it soak in there. Go to the edge, top of the edge, and just let it soak in there. You may have to do it a couple times just to get the full saturation that you want. But this way, it's super easy, and it's a way for you to minimize you messing up. Now, if your hand just be shaking all the time, I cannot help you. I'm sorry. What you probably need to do is go even further on the inside, and then, you know, let it soak in there and just keep on doing it. May take you a little longer, but it's gonna be right when you finish, you know what I'm saying?
We'll never be the same, some things never change, yeah. You wanna be in the passenger side, but we ain't in the same lane, yeah. You been trying to play a player, little baby, so I can put you in the game, yeah. Something about that just don't sound right, baby, I don't know. You don't even really know. You don't like to talk about it, and every time I got a problem, we just seem to walk around it. And you don't ever talk about it unless it's communication about your issues. Anytime I got a problem, you start manipulating me, you crying, need some tissue, but I'm like, I can't even lie, no. I don't wanna lay up with you if you telling lies, no. Turned out like the rest of me, there's really no surprise, so I'm living my life, no. Yeah, I got visions you don't need, you don't really want me, you just wasting all my time, baby, it's just no surprise.
Okay, after you've laid down your dye and all that, all you have to do now is heat set it with your heat gun. I recommend a heat gun because it gets hotter than a blow dryer, but if you only have a blow dryer, you can use that as well. But just heat it up. I like to heat it up until it's basically dry, and when I fully finish like putting all my coats on and stuff like that, because it may take a few coats, maybe like 2, especially with black. Black maybe take 1 sometimes, but I like to do like 2 different coats, and then after that, you know, make sure I heat set everything till it's dry to the touch, and then I'll wait a few minutes or whatever, let it cool down, and heat it up one more time just to lock everything in, make sure it don't bleed and all of that kinds of stuff. So that is it, and I will show y'all the finished product in a few.
Baby, let's just call it what it is. You be acting different around me, then you different when you with your friends. So you be in the club popping bottles up to 3 or 4 in the morning. Next morning I be on the grind, you be just waking up yawning. In a pretty face with a nice body, ain't gon' never leave me feeling used. I'm quick to leave a situation if I feel like I'm getting abused. I be giving all my love to you, but I feel like I don't get it back. And everything that you ask me for be the things that you lack. All our issues be staying in silence. You be resorting to violence, I just be chillin', tryna keep it quiet. If I'm speaking, you starting a riot. Baby, you trippin', I don't even try it. I just leave you alone, I don't even wanna talk to you, shawty. I don't even wanna bother you, cause you be trippin' when you in your feelings, shawty. You be talking to your friends, giving opinions, and you be listening too. And you be deep inside your feeling, because I ain't trippin', I ain't gonna argue with you. You know how I am, I don't like when we fight. You always trippin', you thinking you right. You be speaking out of motion, but then you apologizing by the end of the night. Baby, I'm sick of the cycle. You gotta be more consistent if you want me ever to wife you. And I ain't tryna make a threat to you, girl, it's more like a promise. But if you get it back together, I give you everything you wanted. And until then, I can't even lie, no. I don't wanna lay up with you if you tellin' lies, no. Turned out like the rest of me, that's really no surprise, so I'm living my life, no. Yeah. I got visions you don't need, you don't really want me. You just wasting all my time, baby, this is no surprise, yeah.
Dylan, you son of a...